Hey Kelly, welcome to lesson 102. This is about the distance between 2 points. So in this lesson, it's a very short lesson. There's going to give you 2 points on the graph and you need to find the distance between them, which means you're going to be using the formula that you learned yesterday, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Do you remember what that's called? Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's do this thing. It's super easy to process here. For finding the distance between these 2 points, the first thing you need to do is to graph the points. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have this one which is 4, 2. And this one is negative 3, negative 2. Okay, so they want to find the distance between here and here. Well, there's no way to find the distance between there and there unless you make it into a triangle and then use your formula, okay? There is a huge distance formula that one day you're gonna learn, but actually nobody likes to memorize that formula, so we just stick with this one. So first of all, you have to find the height. Well, this is 1, 2 up and 1, 2 down, right? Because this is 4, 2, and this is negative 3, negative 2. So it's up 2 and down 2, so that's 4 over here. And then we went from negative 3 to 4, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So we have 7 and 4, so we just do our equation. 4 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. So it's going to be 16 plus 49 equals c squared. That's going to be 65 equals c squared. Take the square root, take the square root. So it's going to be square root of 65 is your answer for the distance between the 2 points. Okay? Let's do this one over here. There's a lot of purple on this page already, so let's do our graph like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 4. I'm going to put that right there so we can remember. It's going to be negative 5 and up 2. Okay, so they want the distance here, but we're going to have to go over and down. Okay, so from here to here, well, it was up to the 4 and then up 2 more. So 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. And then from over here was negative 5, so 5 all the way to here, and then 3 all the way to there, so this is 8. Okay? And let's do our Pythagorean theorem. It's going to be 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. So that'd be 36 plus 64, which is c squared, which is 100. And then the square root of 100 is 10. So that's your answer, 10. Okay? Let that process, let that sink in your brain. And do the one practice that's there, and I will show you the answer right after this. Okay, Kelly, the answer to your practice is 4 square root 5, because look, you have your 4, negative 2 here, negative 4 and negative 4 here, so that's going to be from the negative 2 to the negative 4 is 2 spaces, and then from the negative 4 here to the positive 4 there is 8 spaces. So 8 squared plus 2 squared. Kelly, it's wrong. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. It's going to be 2 squared, which is going to be 4, which is going to be c squared, which is going to be 68. Square root of 68, which is, you can still take out a 4 from it. 68 from 4 is 1. 4, 2, 8, 17. 2 square root 17. Sheesh. Okay. Jeepers, creepers. 8 squared plus 2 squared is c squared, so it's going to be 64 plus 4 is 68. Then you can reduce it down when you take out the square root of 4 from it. Okay? 2 square root is 17. Pardon. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.